Right into this world, all alone.
Here we go.
This ain't happening here, is he?
Man, that one guy is a giant.
You got a spot with us, Wood.
Appreciate that.
I still don't get why Opie's here. He assaulted 2 police officers, okay. Shouldn't he be in a jail cell? Like a cell in a normal police station?
Love hurts.
Emma Jean's waiting. Wants to book her schedule.
I think these two should have a talk. That could be interesting.
Talk to Romeo. He wants to meet. Lindelof Pines. Seemed urgent. Are you up to it?
No choice.
He could ride Piney's old bike.
Guys are okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, positive. I promise.
Does Tara know?
I just called her.
Okay, I'm heading over there.
What are you looking at, huh, old man?
Just here to talk.
Yeah. Is that what you told Zig's girl before you set her on fire?
Let's not discuss the tragedy of dead girls. That's an argument you'd lose. I know you're not dealing the coke, you're muling it. What's your end? You don't think I'll find out?
Do you want to buy them out, or
100.
why do you care?
Now 50 of that is mine.
Oh, quite the opposite of buying out.
Need a dead son for the 9 and the cop you killed. It maintains my relationship. The commander knows about it, he'll set it up. When that happens, witnesses are no longer witnesses, and you get out to earn.
And I guess you can't kill Tick, huh? Because that guy's supposed to live in prison.
I'm here to see my grandkids, Abel and Thomas.
Abel and Thomas.
Hi, baby.
Sorry, only the father has access.
I'm
so sorry. Please excuse me.
Oh, Margaret.
I'm their goddamn grandmother.
And I'm their goddamn mother. You will not bully me into changing how I raise my children.
I am not bullying.
She sounds just like Margaret.
He gave me his demands. That's half our muling earn. 50K per shipment.
What else?
I'm not sure. He's gonna have a guard fill me in.
Why isn't he just telling them? He knows exactly what he wants.
You know where she's been.
Not really. I can't, Clay.
I lost my seat. Half a lung. Found out riding in a month, I'd lose my vote. She's the only thing I got left.
I think you've lost her already.
Killing time with somebody to hurt me. I ain't gonna set it on fire.
God damn it, Juice, don't listen to him. He's full of shit.
Juice, it's killing me.
Oh, shit.
You're such a simpleton, Juice.
How's Tara? Not good. She's in bad shape.
What?
I think she's self-medicating.
Pain meds?
Oxy.
The fuck?
We gotta take this one alone, I say.
Whoa. Jax is going for the giant.
Get down! Everybody down on the ground! Move! Move!
Whoa. How about warning shots, huh? He's not letting go.
Two to a room, no yard time, one meal.
Yeah, my big black dick.
Who said that? All I see is teeth.
What'd you say?
come after me and my family, bring it on, darling. I'm not afraid of you. Or your bullshit custody threat.
Okay, Gemma.
What?
Word from upstairs is one of you four leaves in a bag. We go to the box after the shift change. He fights until he loses. I need to know which one. I'll give you a few minutes to figure it out.
The Galindo guys need to hurry up, I think.
I'm treading water here, Hope. I got no idea how to keep everyone alive.
Don't even think about it, Ope.
Why didn't you let me kill him?
There's a RICO case pending against the club. I had to make a choice, brother. Kill Clay or save the club.
You made the wrong choice.
Some of the nurses were saying you got married?
Yesterday, it was a quick, private thing. We didn't tell anyone.
You're not part of the inner circle, Margaret. Tough.
Wendy paid me a visit today.
What that bitch want?
That's why you're twisting up Wendy, trying to use her to hurt me.
I forgot. You're the smart one.
I thought you never forget anything, huh? You remember everything. That's what you said earlier.
Try to hurt me or my family again.
Or what, Doctor? You gonna kill me?
But my husband might.
I think that would take a lot to turn Jax against Gemma. He didn't even kill Clay.
She available?
You really think that's a good idea?
Look, friend. I'm just a wounded guy in need of a little comfort.
Come on, Clay.
Shut up.
Okay.
It probably hurt her or some shit like that.
You think you're the only one who gets to play with white trash?
Actually, I'm Puerto Rican.
And half black.
Which guy goes?
Yeah, we're still working it out.
Just wanna make sure we cover the spread.
Fuck.
Bad idea. What are you gonna do?
Pick the guy.
Flip a coin. What the hell are the Galindo guys doing? It's about time they interfere. And get them out of there.
What's going on?
Oh.
Come on.
Oh my god, how ridiculous. She can fuck around as she pleases, huh? But he can't. Pfft. God, how simple.
I don't give a shit who Pope is or how deep his reach is. He doesn't make that call. We decide our fate.
Am I choosing or you?
My call.
No. Keep it interesting, shithead.
This can't happen. Opie can't die. In episode 3?
I got this.
Oh, that fucking giant.
find out who you are and where you live. And then I'm gonna kill you.
How's the girl?
Wouldn't talk to me, she took off.
I'm sorry. I lost my shit. You pissed me off. Coming up here.
I don't give a shit about this crap now.
I need Traeger outside. Him knowing I saved his life gives me an internal advantage I'm gonna need. And when I'm done, you can send him out the same way you did as kid.
There you go. Finding the hidden advantage in an unfortunate circumstance.
He's just playing you, you idiot. You're as good as dead.